OT trade of the day. 4 screens in front of you. We have the SPY off to the left. We have our favorite long, BHC, on the left, Regeneron long on the right in the middle, and Cody long on the right. The stops for each of these are 20 cents for the BHC. There's our opening bell. $20 for Regeneron, that's pretty big. And then, of course, 7 cents for Cody, which we had yesterday. So we're going to focus on BHC long first, up 6%. This one's up 4% and up 7%. So let's get focused in here as to what this is doing. 1710 is the high of the day. So if it flips back, we would want it to go past the high of the day up to 1711. So just making a little note for myself. That's where I will want to enter it unless it drops down here below, and then we might get a better entry. So 1711, there it is, 1711. We are in the trade. We will use a, come on. Why is it not drawing 1711? So you're in the trade at 1711. There we go. There's our in the trade. We set a 20-cent stop. Do we need that? We do not. 16.99 can be our stop, so that's a 12-cent stop. So 12 cents is our stop. Let me make a note of that. So on the upside, we want 17.23 will be our first mark. Let me get you an arrow in there so you don't get confused which way we're taking this. And that was our entry point at 1711. And again, the stop is 12 cents. All right, we'll let that cook for just a minute, and then we'll take a look over here at Jazz, kind of low volume. And Cody, not really acting. I'd rather see it go down first and then start its marching up. Let's see, the market's going higher, so that is good news. Contacts are messing with that. That's an 11 in it. So 23 plus 12 is again 35. So up in here is our second R, is where we're holding out for that level, which is not that screen. Oh, hey, we're at our 3R trade. So let's see, 1735 plus 12 is 47. So boom, there's the 3R, put it in the books. Well done. And it looks like it's got even more to run. However, I'd be out of the trade because that's our trade scenario, is either lose 1 or gain 3. And that's about as easy as it can be there. So there was our entry, and there's where we are now.